In this video, we are going to discuss few questions what we come across during our Shopify setup services. So with me, I'm having Alicia, who is a Shopify expert, and I'm just going to shoot the questions to her, and let's see how she can help with that. Alicia, we are having certain questions what we come across during our Shopify setup services. So, as a first, I just need to know what all are the advantages of Shopify.
Hi, Mohammed. The main advantages of Shopify are easy to set up. It is very cost effective. It is very easy to integrate a lot of marketing channels like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and all those things from the Shopify platform itself. And above all, after we deliver the projects to the clients, it is really easy for them to manage it by themselves.
Okay. So, and the next question what we receive is regarding the payment gateway. So, as you know, Stripe is already available within the region now, within UAE and Saudi. And the next question is like, what are the advantages of using Stripe payment gateway in Shopify?
The main advantage of Stripe is that they doesn't have any monthly charges. They only charge you per the transaction. There is only the transaction charges there. Then it is very easy to set up. You can set up everything online. Majority of the international cards are supported by Stripe.
Okay. And the other thing is like whether some of them they are new to Shopify and they used to ask us like whether the shipping is already handled by the Shopify or they have to handle the shipping. So I think they are not much familiar with the Shopify. So we also used to get the question saying asking about the shipment or how the shipping is handled in Shopify or whether the Shopify handles this or not.
Shopify doesn't handle shipping. Shopify is a platform where you can set up your e-commerce business. So shipping, you have to actually use a third-party provider for handling the shipping. Currently in UAE now, so you can use FedEx, Aramex, DHL, all these providers. So many of the providers are having Shopify apps now. So it is easy for you to generate the labels and all those. Not all, but majority of them. So you have to definitely go for a third-party shipping provider for that.
Okay.
It is not supported within Shopify.
Okay. And next thing, like whether if a customer have a Shopify store, whether they need to purchase another hosting or web hosting for their store. That's another question what we used to get from the customer. So, what you can say about that?
No, you don't have to purchase another hosting. So hosting is included within the Shopify plan that you select.
Okay. And if we need to create a new Shopify store, how long it takes to complete from scratch or from A to Z? How long it take to create a Shopify store?
So development of the Shopify store, it depends on the complexity of the design and what are your requirements. So basic Shopify store, we are launching it for our clients within 14 days.
Okay. How much you charge for Shopify store setup? If I need a basic Shopify store, how much you charge?
The basic setup charge, it starts from 4,500 dirhams, which comes to around $1,300. So in that we include all the basic functionalities that you have, that makes your store up and running.
Okay, so with this 4,500 dirhams or $1,300, I can set up a Shopify store within this 15 to or 10 to 20 working days, right?
Yes, we assure you, you should have all the contents ready. For example, the logos, the products, product images. So if you have all the things ready, we can actually launch a Shopify store for you in 14 days for this $1,300.
Okay. Okay, Alicia. So now we just discussed about few questions what we come across during our Shopify setup services. So let's in the coming video we'll just discuss more what we are getting from the customers. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.